Meaning of damnably.
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 Damnably. The word damnably is an adverb used to describe something that is extremely bad or unpleasant in nature, typically to the point of causing annoyance or frustration. It can also be used to describe something that is morally wrong or sinful. When something is described as damnably, it implies that it is beyond mere annoyance or difficulty, and instead reaches a level of intensity that is difficult to tolerate. Overall, damnably is a strong word that conveys a sense of extreme negativity or disapproval towards a particular situation or action.